Folks, welcome to Sawnee Mountain Motors. Little 17 Chevrolet Trax, new car dealer trade, just traded in, and nice little car, 97,000 miles. Let me walk around and let you see it. We just cleaned it up. We still have a little more cleaning, a little more polishing, but I'll walk around and show it to you. We've got a little scratch right here. We're going to need to buff out and sand a little bit more, sand and buff. Power window, power lock car. Automatic. Front bucket seats. You know, when I find these good, mild, little inexpensive cars, there's a huge demand for these cars, and most of them go to buy here, pay here dealers, and they want just exorbitant amount of money for these cars. So I'm always happy to find an inexpensive car. We've got 4 new tires ordered for it. It'll go through the shop next week. It does have a check engine light on for an evap code, which could be a little hose or a gas cap or anything, but no major deal. The seats are kind of dirty. We're gonna have to clean them a couple more times, but we'll get them looking really good. And we got to just buff and touch up the paint really well. But it'll make some kid a really great first car, college car, high school car. We have financing even for cheaper older cars like this. We have good low rate financing for good credit, higher rate financing for bad credit. I would encourage anyone to buy an extended warranty. We sell them at our cost. Carfax is on our website if you go take a look at SawneeMountainMotors.com. And you can always call me on my cell, Mike Stout, 404-867-5028. Thanks so much and have a great day.